So I'm going to make the most of today, which is going to be sunny, maybe a little bit cloudy later. Because tomorrow, my ride over to Stockholm to get the ferry, they're forecasting heavy rain all day. So it looks like I'll get onto the ferry rather soggy. So Vax Joe. I've got no idea how you say it. Beautiful. Well, I think this is nice of them. Thundering along on a motorway. I'm going too fast. Okay. This could be the downside of the pretty route. That many miles later, things are really slow. I suppose the choice is, do you ride on a motorway and go at decent speed and not really see anything, so you could actually be anywhere, more or less, or do you go at these painfully slow speeds? And look, we have an agricultural vehicle in front of us now. To make things even slower, it's really painfully slow. But pretty, you know, it's beautiful. And a beautiful morning sunshine. But it's really slow going. Blimey. The first bit was unusually slow. But it's absolutely fine. Pretty little place. There's a very handy chair just here by the bus stop where I've stopped. These are impossible to get into. Your feet disappear somewhere inside them. And you never really find out where your feet have gone. It's mysterious. Seems like it's 50 miles to go. Well, actually it's a bit more because my, 50 miles to go. Is it going to rain the whole time? Might do. Track after such a weird detour. I hate it when there's some roadworks and the GPS doesn't know about it, tries to get you back on route, which is very kind, but it takes you through the weirdest kind of directions. That's so annoying when that happens, when you've just got no idea where the road went that you were on one second ago, and then suddenly there's a diversion. It seems like everybody else seems to know where they are, but if you're a stranger, you have to rely on GPS, and it just has very sort of weird ideas. But anyway, we're back on the 32, flagrantly ignoring the speed limit out of kind of impatience. Heading north, inexorably to my next hotel, and the rain's easing off a bit. It's not really that bad. Okay. Yep. Hey, apart from the rain, this is fun. So room 32, a little bit slippery. What can I park in? Maybe I can just park outside. Yeah, that's even cooler. Hey, how cool is that? I don't even need to cover her up tonight. Just need to find the key. Oh, that's so cool. Yes. I knew there was something I completely forgot booking this place, and it looked a bit unpromising, I must say, but I knew there was some reason that I liked it. Oh wow. Oh, my boots are so dirty. It must be partly that romp in the wood that I took. What's this? Hey, hey. So cool.